if you have installed Chrome OS using one of my videos or online articles, and if you are facing any issues like the Chrome OS not booting up or Wi-Fi issues, touchscreen, touchpad, mic issues, etc., then you should definitely watch this video, as it may help you fix those issues. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, when you are booting up on this the grub menu, you need to scroll down using the downward arrow key and choose the Brunch settings. In the latest updates, it's called Brunch settings or the Chrome OS settings, and you will see this screen. Now press enter and you will see this configuration menu. Here you can choose the different kernel version. If your Chrome OS is not booting up for any reason, you may try to downgrade or upgrade the kernel. So just highlight it using the arrow key and then press enter to confirm. So by default it is 5.15. You may choose an older or newer version and then press enter and see if your Chrome OS boots up or not. The second page shows fixes for different issues related to Chrome OS. You can check the link in the description to know more about it. Basically it has fixes for your audio, Wi-Fi. You can mount your external internal drives and different options. You need to use the spacebar key to select the fix you want to apply. Your selected fix will be highlighted with the cross on the left side, like for the updates here. Similarly, you can use your spacebar key to select different fixes, then hit enter to confirm. And now in the third page we have fixes related to touchscreen, touchpad, and different other settings for the camera config and all. So if you are facing any of the issues related to this, you can also see mic fixes, tablet mode and stuff. So just similarly, just use the spacebar key to select the fixes that you want to enable and then hit enter to confirm. And we have the hyper-threading options as well. These are advanced options, so check the description to know more about it. Then just press enter to confirm. This is just for the splash screen that you see of the loading Brunch. You can change how it looks. So we have different options, and just highlight the one you want to select and then press enter to confirm. And now you can see the summary of every changes that you have made, and just press any key to reboot your computer, and you will see your grub menu again. Then select the Brunch or the Chrome OS, and this is the Brunch framework. Now we have booted into the Chrome OS. So try all these fixes and see if it works for you, and tell me in the comments. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.